Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And today I'd like to talk to you about your rights with respect to CPS. You know, in the state of Michigan, CPS, Child Protective Services, investigates allegations of abuse and neglect, things that relate to children, things that relate to the development of kids, and the idea being that every child has the right to, have a nurturing environment to grow up in and shouldn't be subject to neglect, shouldn't be subject to abuse. But remember one thing. If you are accused of this, you still have certain fundamental rights, certain due process rights. You have a right to certain hearings. And CPS doesn't have its own court. CPS investigations that result in court proceedings end up pouring into the juvenile court. And you, in that case, certainly have a right to an attorney. You have a right to hire your own attorney if you would rather, and there'll be a hearing to discuss exactly what should go on. Now, in a lot of cases, the goal of CPS is just to put in a safety plan to sort of deal with remedial measures to make sure that the problem is resolved. That's one side of the spectrum. Another side of the spectrum involves people actually having their rights potentially terminated because of aggravated cases of abuse or neglect. So there's a whole panoply of rights on that large spectrum. If you have questions about that, of course, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and